What is up, you guys? It is Mariah. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to another installment of Veda, which is vlogging every day of April. You heard that right. I am posting a video every day for the month of April, which is awesome. Most of my videos will be centered around Disney trip planning tips and tricks because I am a travel agent specializing in Disney. And if you would like me to actually book your trip and plan your trip, then be sure to check out the description box below. A link to my website and my plan form. Just fill it out with your vacation details. Be sure that you check out the video that I made though first before you do that, about booking your trips with me for the rest of this year as well as 2020, because I do share some important details as far as me and my travel agent business here. So definitely be sure to check that out first. So most of my videos will be Disney trip planning, but some of them will be fun, which is I think all of the videos that I do are fun, by the way, in terms of trip planning and stuff, because I love talking about Disney. Like, if you are watching this video, that means that you are somewhat interested in Disney in some type of way. But I am doing some fun pin mail. It has been a long time since I have done a pin mail video, and I have a couple that have one more that I will be filming. So definitely stay tuned in terms of Veda anyway for this month. But I have a couple of packages that I received. I am so excited. And by the way, my ears are from my awesome friend. For Heather from the Disney Housewife. I will link her channel down below, and please go and subscribe to her YouTube channel. She is awesome. And I did actually film me like unbagging these ears, so I will link that video above and below. So I made some trades first of all, and she is just super awesome. It is from Michelle, and she is a fellow subscriber to my channel, a Disney friend. I don't really like calling y'all subscribers. Fellow Disney friend, and she reached out to me saying that she wanted to trade, and I am so happy that she did. Her and actually her son wanted to trade with me, and so it was so cute because he had pins. Me and him traded pins, so it was just so cute. I really like, that's super fun. But anyway, so as you know, I do have a little, you know, collection of Disney pins. And I say little, but I guess that's relative. For people who aren't really into pins, they might say that it's like a big collection. Which, by the way, I did film a video during December with my entire pin collection, so I'll link that video above and below. So definitely check that out if you want to see the pins that I have so far. Yes, so this is from Michelle and her son, which is Brendan. So yes, if y'all are watching this, I love you guys. Thank you so much for trading with me. And of course, if anybody wants to trade with me, just reach out to me. I have my email address below. But I'm pulling this out, and she gave me, first of all, she gave me these cute stickers. Oh my gosh, they're like, are they like kawaii designed? Yes, they are kawaii designed. It has, oh, look at Minnie as like a mermaid. Do y'all see this? Like, that is super cute. And like little cactuses and stuff, and it's like really summery and springy. Oh, look at Mickey chilling out like he's heading to the beach or something. And then look at Minnie here looking all cool. They just look so, oh, thank you so much. You did not have to include that. I love stickers and stationery, so thank you. Like, I really enjoy that, for real. Bubble wrap. I'm definitely saving this bubble wrap. Hashtag saving the bubble wrap. These pins, oh, she actually put them on a backer. I just really, so this is the one that I traded her son with. I traded a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party pin with him. He really wanted, I had the big bag big bad wolf, and he wanted to trade with me for that. So very happy that he got what he wanted. And I got Anna and Elsa. I collect like princesses and stuff, and I love Anna. So I really, obviously I like Elsa too. But if you're team Anna or Elsa, let me know. So anyway, so I have this also. I traded for the Ariel shield pin because I want to collect all of these and I don't have them all yet. And then this is the Mulan one. Mulan's looking really pretty, and I love the Ariel one as well. So those are really cool. These are like the Zoom Zoom ones for Anna and Elsa. Thank you so much again, Michelle, for this trade. Oh, and before I get off of this, she sent me, look at this little sticker that she put in there, and she wrote a note. It's Chip and Dale. This is so cute, girl. Where did you like find this? So on her note it says, Mariah, thank you so much for the trades. Hope you enjoy all your new princess pins. And she signed it, Michelle. Thank you so much. I am going to start saving like anything that y'all send me in terms of cards or just notes. I want to have like a box to put them all in. And so yeah, I thank you so much. I love this. This is so cute, and I love the pins and I love the stickers. You did not have to do that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it again. And so the next one that I have is actually a pin that I bought. So I did buy this pin from a Facebook group that, you know, where people sell their pins and things like that. So this is super awesome. The person put a, I didn't even show y'all, but it has a, there's a Festival of the Arts sticker here, which I've never actually been to myself. So, oh my gosh, that is so cute. When, as I said that, they put the Epcot Festival of the Arts guide map. That is, well, it's not the actual Festival of the Arts guide map, but it does have like all the Festival of the Arts stuff on it. Thank you so much. I don't even know if this person watches my, I don't think they watch my YouTube channel, but I'm saying it. Thank you so much. So yes, I bought a pin from them, and if you go back to my pin video when I showed my collection that I mentioned to you earlier, in that video I say when I went to on my Disney trip last, I did Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party for the first time and Food and Wine Festival for the first time, and I did not get the Food and Wine Festival pin. And I normally get pins to commemorate like my first time of doing something, but for whatever reason it slipped my mind to not get the pin. I didn't get the pin, and so when I saw somebody was selling this, I had to get it because I needed to commemorate the fact that I was there at Food and Wine for the first time in 2018. So this is the Food and Wine pin from 2018. I will show you up close. So this is the Food and Wine pin. It is so hefty, and it's like a pin on pin design, as they say. So it's like a pin of the Spaceship Earth, and then Mickey like on top of it, so it's like layered, and it just says Food and Wine 2018, Mickey as a chef. So cute. I cannot wait to put this in my special like events page that I have first of all the commemorate things that I've done. I love pin collecting. It's very addicting, to say the least, but super happy for the pins that I did get. So yay. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for this pin video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like it, and comment down below what, if you collect pins, what do you collect, or if you don't, then let me know which pin that I showed here today that you liked. Let me know which pin you liked of the ones that I showed. Anyway, guys, be sure to stay tuned, subscribe, because I have more videos coming up for Veda, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. And as always, I hope you all have a magical day.